Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing why poor people remain poor. It's a common question that's been asked for years, and there are a variety of reasons why poverty persists. So, without further ado, let's dive in. One of the biggest factors that contribute to poverty is a lack of access to education. Poor families often cannot afford to send their children to school or pay for higher education. This can lead to limited job opportunities and lower income, perpetuating the cycle of poverty. Poor people often lack access to healthcare. Without proper healthcare, individuals may suffer from illnesses that can prevent them from working, leading to lost income and increased poverty. Poor people may face limited job opportunities due to a lack of education, skills, or job training. This can make it difficult to find employment or advance in their careers, keeping them in poverty. Systemic racism and discrimination can also contribute to poverty. People of color and other marginalized groups may face discrimination in education, employment, housing, and other areas, making it harder for them to escape poverty. Many poor people lack financial literacy, making it harder for them to manage their money effectively. This can lead to debt, poor credit, and financial insecurity. The poverty trap is a situation where poor people cannot improve their situation due to a lack of resources. For example, a poor family may not be able to afford a down payment on a home, leading to high rental costs that make it difficult to save money. Poor people may have limited access to capital, making it difficult to start a business or invest in assets that can generate income. This can perpetuate the cycle of poverty, as individuals are unable to accumulate wealth. Poor people may lack support systems, such as family, friends, or community organizations. This can make it harder for them to access resources or opportunities that can help them escape poverty. In conclusion, there are many factors that contribute to poverty, and it can be difficult for individuals to break the cycle. However, it's important to recognize that poverty is not a personal failing, but a systemic issue that requires systemic solutions. By addressing the root causes of poverty, we can help ensure that everyone has access to the resources and opportunities they need to thrive. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.